Hello viewers, welcome again. Now learn English fast through a story. Story 1, Surprise. Jerry and Emma are husband and wife. It is summer and Jerry's birthday is approaching. Emma wants to give him a present for his birthday, but she wants it to be a surprise, so she must keep everything a secret. But she has a big problem. If Jerry cannot know about her plan, how does she find out what to get him for his birthday? She decides to use a secret technique for a whole week while she pretends to do other things. She actually listens very carefully for clues. However, Jerry doesn't really talk about this subject. A whole week passes with no mention of something he actually wants or needs. That's it, Emma thinks to herself. Jerry's birthday is tomorrow. I am taking off the gloves. She calls her sister-in-law Mary and they make a secret plan. Mary will call Jerry, ask him what he would like to receive for his birthday, and Emma will listen to the conversation without Jerry knowing it. The scheme starts out as planned. Mary calls Jerry and they have a nice chat about his upcoming birthday. Emma listens carefully from the other room. Finally, she hears what he wants, a pair of sneakers. All right, she thinks to herself. Full of excitement, she runs out of the room. She is not so quiet, but who can blame her? She rushes off to the shop and buys a pair of shiny sneakers, exactly Jerry's size. She is very happy. She will get him the present he wants and it will be a complete surprise. Today is Jerry's birthday. Emma waits until their special dinner at night. Oh, it is a pair of sneakers? What a lovely surprise! Emma notices that something is wrong. What is the matter? You don't seem so happy. Don't you need a pair of sneakers? Hmm. Jerry takes a look at each shoe. Well, didn't you tell Mary that you wanted a pair of sneakers? Emma asks him. A pair of sneakers? Jerry starts to laugh. I said a pair of speakers. You seem surprised. Well, I guess I could use a pair of sneakers too. Story 2. Oh, the horror. Emma and Jerry like to watch movies. No, actually, Emma and Jerry love to watch movies. They have only one tiny problem. They never like the same movies. Emma likes horror movies. She likes the fear and the blood. Jerry, on the other hand, hates horror movies. He hates the fear and the blood. He likes love stories. He likes romantic couples and happy endings. Emma hates romantic movies. She thinks they are silly and boring. At first, they don't know they have such different taste in movies. Emma comes home. Oh my goodness, she calls out, Jerry, you have to come with me to the movies. There is this amazing new movie. I must watch it. Which one is it? The bloody X. Jerry thinks about it for a second. Doesn't it sound a bit weird? Of course not, silly. It seems like an amazing movie. We must watch it. Emma laughs at him. Well, if you say so, let's go for it. 2 hours later, Jerry is sitting in the movie theater, screaming. 5 minutes later, he is running to the bathroom to throw up. Oh my goodness, Emma, I did not know this is what you meant. You said amazing. I don't think I can watch a movie like this again. It's okay, Jerry, she says. I guess you don't like horror movies as much as I do. A few days later, Jerry comes home. Emma, she calls out, listen, you have to come with me to the movies. There is this fantastic new movie. We must watch it. Which one is it? Sun, love, and hope. Emma thinks about it for a second. Doesn't it sound a bit silly? Of course not, Emma. It seems like a fantastic movie. We must watch it. Jerry laughs at her. Well, if you say so, let's go for it. Emma agrees. 2 hours later, Emma is sitting in the movie theater completely stiff. 5 minutes later, she is running away in terror. Oh my goodness, Jerry, I did not know this is what you meant when you said fantastic. I don't think I can watch a movie like this again. Jerry looks at her and says, well, I guess you don't like romantic movies as much as I do. That's right, Emma agrees. What are we going to do? Will we ever go to the movies theater again? Jerry thinks about it for a moment and then answers, I guess we will have to wait for a horror love story. You know, a boy meets a girl, they fall in love, and then she eats him. Thanks.